All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to transfer from Podia to ThriveCart. I'll link a blog below about different course platforms and why I chose Podia at first. And I loved it, but I didn't need all of the features that it had. It has like emailing and all that, and I use that all outside of it. So paying $390 a year was a little bit much, whereas ThriveCart is $495 one-time fee. So really quickly, what I did first in ThriveCart is if you come over here, you can set up your, and I found this to be a little bit confusing at first, but this is where if you come over to products, this is, you can create a product and then you're creating your sales page here. So where they purchase the items, and I'm not going to walk through that, but that's how you create the sales page. Then if you want to create a course, you're going to come over to ThriveCart Learn, which this can all be included in the lower level. Create course, click that, that'll create this, and then you're going to create a new project and you'll title it and you'll have it. So right now I've already started to create this Squarespace with Confidence course. Under here I have my Squarespace SEO course. I have 2 versions, so they're both under there. And let's go to edit. And I'm just transferring stuff. So I'm going into my Squarespace products or my Podia products, go into the course that you want to edit, click edit. It's just a matter of transferring all of the videos and everything. One of the big downsides of ThriveCart is that you cannot host a video in ThriveCart. So I am doing it unlisted in YouTube, which isn't ideal, but it is what it is. So what you can do is add a module, and then you're adding lessons under it. And what I do is because I have designed it, I don't want to redesign it every time with the right fonts, the right colors. I just clone it. So we'll come in here, we'll clone module 6, type module 7, click return. So this is kind of just like the heading, and then under it is like the course. You can add as many of the lessons as you want. So we'll go into editing lesson 7, which is all about search engine optimization. Copy that. Make sure to edit this to say module 7. And then when you are creating that sales page that was under products, you'll make sure you'll want to link the course. So if you haven't already built out the course, you won't be able to link it. So just make sure you go back. If you do the sales page first, which is what I did, make sure you go back and link the actual course. I guess I don't necessarily know how other people created their courses in Podia. I would create the module, and then I would create the script of the lesson, and then I would have the video. So I'm not doing it that way in ThriveCart, so I just am putting it all on one page. I feel like that makes more sense in my brain. So I added in all that information, and then I need to download the video. So if you come over to these 3 dots, download file, it'll download. Then you come into YouTube. And this is where you need to make sure that it is unlisted. I also have it in a private playlist. So this is allowing people to not be able to search the video. So we'll upload that video there. And if we come back into, and I don't want it to be searchable, I'm going to take out all that information. I have, like I said, I have a private playlist that I already, if you click new playlist, you can make it private. So I have that. And once you get that code, you can go over here, take video, and drag it over. And then this is where you would have that video and put in your embed code. If you click next, you can go and click unlisted here. Save it. It'll take a minute to upload to YouTube. So to get that code, you just come on over to here, and then you can share the video, embed code, and here it is. And that's where you will place it in that other platform. If you're wondering why I switched from Podia to ThriveCart, or why I don't suggest having your course on Showit/WordPress, look at the videos below, and I'll also link the blog post. They will be very helpful for you in making the decision.